Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown in Moultrie, Georgia with some cash commentary on the commodity markets. Been pretty wild this week, but we'll take them in order. Cotton, very muted but up. And, we had a horrific down day on Tuesday in the market, but we spent the next 3 days coming up. And I think the market's getting close to 73 cents, and there seems to be some interest, some change in attitude actually from a lot of the big trading firms and funds. So not much to really say about cotton other than if we can break through last week's high, 73.40, the December market might try to make a little more run to the upside. Of course, all the emphasis, all the news is on the grains. Corn today made new all-time highs again with spot September going to 824.5, leading the charge. September of next year, 663, up 16 cents. And of course, drought everywhere. We're seeing on TV, you can't go anywhere without hearing about the drought, probably feeling the drought. It's the worst drought in 80 years in terms of rainfall. Obama met with Vilsack and discussing this ethanol mandate, but they felt for the moment that that was not in jeopardy, so I don't know what that means. But corn, nonetheless, is sort of in uncharted waters now, like Christopher Columbus about 400 years ago. So we're going to find our utopia level somewhere. But it's very devastating drought. We certainly feel for those people who are experiencing that. Unfortunately, this corn may go so high that it could really ruin the grain industry. Wheat, of course, coming along as well. Beans, of course. Beans almost traded $17 today. We've been in business 30 years. We've never seen that. That's pretty amazing. And again, we think the weather baton may be shifting over to the beans. And so beans are getting stronger than corn. And you see that evident on the spreads. If I'm unpriced, I'm thinking about pricing some up here because these are super incredible prices to get a hold of, and even thinking about next year. So don't get caught up in the greed. Don't be a hero. Call us, get your marketing plan on the cash side, and we can, help you maybe execute that or encourage you to do that. The fuel was down today after being up yesterday, and this may be the pullback. We may be looking at covering some fuel for the fall harvest, but we'll just see how that plays out. The dollar also strong today. The stock market down. Keep in mind that the grains, we're starting to see some demand destruction, particularly in the corn. Exports are terrible. Ethanol is getting hammered. So don't get caught up again in the glitz and glitter of this tremendous bull market. There are circulars coming around where certain major banks are talking about double-digit corn. That certainly can be possible. But I'd capture these high prices and get back along with a call option or something if that's your flavor. At any rate, give us a call at 1-800-910-1910. Have a nice weekend.